Hello everyone! Happy New Year! I can't believe we are already in 2025. It feels like just yesterday we were all talking about our goals for last year. The start of a new year always brings so many feelings, doesn't it? There's a little bit of excitement for what's to come, and maybe a tiny bit of pressure to make this year the best one yet. I totally get it. Sometimes, I look back and think about all the things I wanted to do, and it can feel a bit overwhelming to start all over again. It's a mix of hope and wanting a clean slate. I find that after the busy holiday season, with all the parties and family get-togethers, I just want a quiet moment for myself. It's a time to reset and recharge my batteries. It's not about becoming a completely new person overnight, because the person you are right now is already wonderful. Instead, it's about taking a little bit of time to focus on yourself. It's about washing away the stress of the previous year and stepping into the new one, feeling refreshed, calm, and ready for anything. This feeling of a fresh start is so powerful and can set a positive tone for the months ahead. This desire for a fresh start is something I think we all share. We want to feel good in our own skin and confident in who we are. It's like tidying up your room after it's been messy for a while. That feeling of calm and order is just so satisfying. We can do the same thing for our minds and bodies. It's a chance to build little habits that make us feel cared for and loved, especially by ourselves. So let's leave the pressure behind and just focus on simple, kind things we can do to feel our best as we begin this new chapter together. So if you're feeling a little bit like me and craving that refreshed feeling, you are in the right place. I've put together a lovely little routine that I like to do at the start of the year. It's my own personal glow-up day, but it's all about self-care and feeling good from the inside out. It doesn't involve any big, drastic changes. It's just about dedicating a day to yourself, to pamper and look after your body in a way that makes you feel amazing. It's the perfect way to kick off 2025 with a boost of confidence and a happy heart. So, what exactly is a glow-up? I know when you hear that phrase, you might think about big makeovers you see in movies. You might picture new hairstyles, a whole new wardrobe, or dramatic makeup looks, but that's not what we're talking about today. My version of a glow-up is much quieter and much more personal. It's all about self-care. It's about doing small, simple things that make you feel polished, put together, and deeply cared for. It's a glow that comes from feeling good, not just looking good. It's an inner sparkle. This self-care glow-up is something anyone can do. You don't need to spend a lot of money or buy fancy products. Most of these steps can be done with things you might already have at home or with very affordable items you can find at any local shop. This routine is designed to be easy, relaxing, and fun. It's a way to show yourself some love and appreciation. Think of it as a spa day that you create for yourself in the comfort of your own home. The goal is to feel refreshed and renewed, ready to take on the new year with a positive mindset. The real magic of this routine is how it makes you feel inside. When you take the time to do something kind for your body, it sends a message to your brain that you are worthy of care and attention. This can do wonders for your confidence and self-esteem. It's not about changing your appearance to please others. It's about honoring yourself and feeling comfortable and happy in your own skin. It's a quiet rebellion against the idea that we constantly need to be different. Instead, we are just enhancing the wonderful person we already are. So let's get ready for a day of pure pampering. I'm going to walk you through my favorite self-care rituals step by step. We will cover everything from hair care to skin care to simply hydrating our bodies. Each step is chosen to help you feel amazing. Remember, you can pick and choose which steps you want to do. This is your day, so make it perfect for you. The most important thing is to enjoy the process and embrace that wonderful feeling of starting the year with a little extra sparkle and a whole lot of self-love. Okay, let's begin. The very first thing I love to do is give my hair some attention. Our hair goes through a lot, so starting with a scalp treatment feels so luxurious. I like to do a scalp oiling treatment. You can use a special scalp oil or even just a little bit of coconut or rosemary oil. Gently massage the oil into your scalp using your fingertips for about 5 to 10 minutes. This feels absolutely incredible, like a mini head massage. It also helps to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, which is amazing for encouraging healthy hair growth and can help with dryness. Once your scalp is nicely oiled, you'll want to keep your hair out of your face for the rest of our pamper routine. This is where a soft headband comes in handy. I have a collection of fluffy, comfy headbands just for this purpose. Pop one on to hold all your hair back. This not only keeps your hair clean from the skincare products we'll be using later, but it also just makes you feel like you're properly in a spa mode. It's a small thing, but it really sets the tone for a relaxing self-care session. It's your official signal that you are now in the pamper zone. Next up is a task that is so important but often forgotten: cleaning your makeup brushes. I know it's not the most glamorous job, but it's essential for healthy skin. Dirty brushes can hold on to bacteria, old makeup, and oils, which can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. Giving them a good wash is a brilliant way to start the year with a clean slate, literally. You can use a special brush cleanser or just some gentle soap and warm water. Swirl the brushes in the palm of your hand until the water runs clear, then lay them flat on a towel to dry. Doing these little prep steps first sets us up for success. Your hair is getting a deep treatment, it's neatly out of the way, and your tools for later are clean and ready to go. This whole process is about being mindful and intentional. Even a simple task like washing your brushes can feel therapeutic. You're not just cleaning your tools, you're creating a fresh start for your skin. It's these thoughtful little actions that add up to make you feel completely renewed and organized for the year ahead. It's all part of the glow. Now that our hair is being treated and our brushes are clean, it's time to focus on our skin. I absolutely love starting with dry brushing. If you've never tried it, it might sound a bit strange, but trust me, it's amazing. You'll need a natural bristle brush with a long handle. Before you get in the shower, you gently brush your dry skin. Always brush in long, sweeping motions towards your heart. This helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth. It also helps to boost circulation and can make your skin look more radiant. After dry brushing, it's time for a nice warm shower or bath to rinse everything away. This is where you can do any hair removal you might want to do, like waxing or shaving. This is completely optional, of course. Self-care is all about doing what makes you feel good. For me, having smooth skin adds to that clean and refreshed feeling, so I like to include this step. Using a nice shaving cream or a gentle wax helps to make the experience feel more luxurious and less like a chore. Remember to be gentle with your skin throughout the entire process. Once you're out of the shower and all dry, it's the perfect time for a little self-tanning. Again, this is totally optional. I just find that a little bit of a sun-kissed glow, especially in the winter months, really boosts my confidence. It makes me feel healthy and radiant. I use a gradual tanning lotion because it's super easy to apply and looks very natural. Make sure to apply it evenly, and use a mitt if you have one to avoid streaky hands. It's a simple way to get that holiday glow without any sun damage. The final touch for this part of our routine is painting your toenails. There's just something about having freshly painted toes that makes me feel so put together. It's a little secret just for you, even if you're wearing socks and boots all day. Pick a color that makes you happy. It could be a bright, cheerful pink or a classic chic red. Take your time with it, apply a base coat and a top coat, and let them dry completely. This small act of care is the perfect way to finish our body prep, leaving you feeling polished from head to toe. Alright, we've prepped our hair and body, and now it's time for the face. But before we get to our full skincare routine, there's a step I love for getting my skin extra smooth. It's called dermaplaning. This might sound a bit scary, but it's actually really simple, and you can do it safely at home. You use a small, single-blade razor designed specifically for your face to gently scrape away any peach fuzz and dead skin cells. It makes your skin feel unbelievably soft, and your skincare products will absorb so much better afterwards. Your makeup will also go on like a dream. To do this, you'll want to start with a completely clean and dry face. Hold your skin taut with one hand and gently glide the dermaplaning tool downwards at a 45-degree angle using short, feathery strokes. Be very careful and avoid any areas with active breakouts or irritation. It doesn't hurt at all. It just feels like a light scraping. You will be amazed at what comes off your skin. It's one of those oddly satisfying things. Just take your time, be gentle, and you'll be left with a super smooth and radiant canvas for your skincare. Now that your skin is freshly exfoliated, it's time for a gorgeous face mask. This is my favorite part of any pamper routine. Choose a mask based on what your skin needs today. Is it feeling a bit dry? Go for a hydrating mask with ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Is it looking a bit dull? A brightening mask with vitamin C would be perfect. Apply a generous layer all over your face, avoiding your eyes and mouth. Then, just lie back, relax, and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is a great time to listen to a podcast or some calming music. After you rinse off the mask, it's time to complete your skincare routine. This is where you layer on all your lovely products. Start with a hydrating toner or essence, followed by your favorite serum. I love using a serum with niacinamide to help with pores and skin texture. Then apply a nourishing eye cream by gently tapping it around your orbital bone. Finally, lock everything in with a good moisturizer. Take a moment to really massage the products into your skin. This little facial massage helps to boost circulation and leaves you with a beautiful, healthy glow. We've done so much wonderful work so far, and now it's time to bring it all together. After your main skincare has had a moment to sink in, we can move on to hair care. Remember that lovely oil we put on our scalp at the very beginning? It's time to wash it out. Hop back in the shower for a quick rinse. Use a good shampoo to thoroughly cleanse your scalp and hair. You might need to shampoo twice to get all the oil out. Follow up with a deep conditioning mask on the ends of your hair for extra softness and shine. While your hair conditioner is working its magic, you can do another little treatment that feels so lovely: red light therapy. This has become a staple in my routine. You can get at-home red light therapy devices like a mask or a wand. Red light is known to help stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and can give your skin a really healthy, even tone. It's completely painless and feels gently warming on the skin. I like to use my red light mask for about 10 minutes. It feels so futuristic and is a great way to give your skin an extra boost. Once you're done with your hair mask and red light therapy, rinse your hair with cool water to seal the cuticle and add extra shine. After you get out of the shower and gently towel dry your hair, you can apply any leave-in products you like. I love using a heat protectant spray, even if I'm not using heat tools, as it often has other nourishing benefits. I also add a little bit of hair oil or serum to the ends to keep them from getting dry. Then, you can either let your hair air dry for a natural look, or give yourself a bouncy blow dry. With your skin glowing and your hair feeling soft and clean, you'll already feel like a brand new person. This combination of deep cleansing your hair and giving your face that extra therapeutic treatment really elevates the whole experience. It's a reminder that self-care isn't just one single action, but a series of small, loving steps that build upon each other. Each step contributes to that overall feeling of being refreshed and well cared for, which is exactly what our glow up is all about. You've put in the effort, and now you get to enjoy the results. Now for the finishing touch that really makes you feel polished, your smile. Taking care of our teeth is such an important part of feeling confident and healthy. For my self-care day, I love to give my teeth a little extra sparkle with an at-home teeth whitening treatment. There are so many gentle and effective options available now, from whitening strips to LED light kits. I usually opt for whitening strips because they are so easy to use. You just pop them on for about 30 minutes, while you relax or do something else. It's a simple step that can make a surprisingly big difference in how you feel. A brighter smile can instantly make you feel more put together and ready to face the world. Just make sure you follow the instructions on the packet carefully and don't overdo it, especially if you have sensitive teeth. The goal is a natural-looking brightness, not a super artificial white. It's just about lifting away some of the daily stains from things like coffee or tea, revealing a fresher, more radiant smile that is all your own. It's a little confidence boost in a box. Of course, a consistent oral hygiene routine is the most important thing for a healthy smile all year round. This special whitening treatment is just a bonus for our glow-up day. Make sure you are brushing your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes, flossing daily, and using a mouthwash. These daily habits are the real foundation of a healthy mouth and a confident smile. Think of the whitening as the sparkly top coat, and your daily brushing and flossing as the essential protective base coat that keeps everything strong and healthy underneath. Feeling good about your smile is so powerful. It's one of the first things people notice, but more importantly, it's about how you feel when you smile freely and without hesitation. When you know you've taken good care of your teeth, it gives you an extra dose of self-assurance. So, as you finish your whitening treatment and rinse your mouth, take a moment to look in the mirror and give yourself a big, happy grin. You've earned it. This bright smile is a reflection of all the care and attention you've just poured into yourself. We have pampered ourselves from head to toe on the outside, but a true glow-up always starts from within. That is why the final and perhaps most important step in our routine is all about hydration. Drinking enough water is the ultimate beauty secret. It helps to keep your skin plump and clear, gives you more energy, and helps your body function at its best. On your self-care day, make a conscious effort to sip on water throughout the entire process. I like to use a big, cute water bottle to help me keep track. To make hydration feel a little more special, I love to incorporate herbal teas into my day. There is a tea for every mood. In the morning, I might have a peppermint tea to feel awake and refreshed. In the afternoon, a ginger tea is lovely for digestion and has a nice warming spice. And in the evening, there is nothing better than a calming chamomile or lavender tea to help you wind down and prepare for a good night's sleep. It feels so much more luxurious than just drinking plain water, and you get all the lovely benefits of the herbs as well. Think of hydration as watering a plant. You can have the most beautiful pot and the perfect amount of sunlight, but without water, the plant won't thrive. Our bodies are the same. All the lovely serums, masks, and treatments we do on the outside work so much better when our bodies are properly hydrated from the inside. It's the foundation for everything. Making hydration a priority is one of the kindest things you can do for your body, and it's a habit that will continue to reward you long after your pamper day is over. So, as you relax and admire your hard work, pour yourself a big glass of water or a warm cup of your favorite herbal tea. This final step isn't about doing, it's about being. It's about replenishing your body and taking a quiet moment to enjoy the peace and calm you have created. This simple act of drinking water is a promise to yourself to continue this care throughout the year. It's the easiest and most effective way to keep your glow going strong from the inside out every single day. Cheers to that. And there you have it, a full day dedicated to making you feel absolutely amazing. Look at you, glowing from the inside out. The most important thing to remember is that this refreshed, confident feeling isn't just for today. This self-care glow-up is not a one-time fix. It's a starting point. It's about showing yourself how good it feels to be cared for, so you are inspired to continue these little rituals throughout the year. You have set a beautiful foundation for a year filled with self-love and confidence. The key to keeping this glow is consistency. You don't have to do this entire routine every single week, of course. That would be a lot. Instead, try to incorporate small pieces of it into your regular schedule. Maybe you can make Sunday nights your mini pamper night, where you always do a face mask and paint your nails. Or perhaps you can commit to dry brushing a few times a week before your morning shower. Turning these actions into habits will ensure that you are continuously filling up your own cup and maintaining that wonderful feeling. Remember why you did this in the first place. It wasn't about drastically changing who you are. It was about honoring yourself, boosting your confidence, and starting the year feeling refreshed and empowered. Whenever you feel stressed or overwhelmed in the coming months, think back to this day. Remember how calm and happy you felt, and know that you can access that feeling again. All it takes is a few moments to do something kind for yourself, whether it's massaging oil into your scalp or just making a cup of herbal tea. So, take this beautiful glowing energy with you into 2025. You have started the year by investing in the most important person in your life, you. Keep growing, keep glowing, and never forget that you are worthy of this time and care, not just on special occasions, but every single day. I am so excited for you and for all the wonderful things this year has in store. You've got this. Go out there and shine.